Hi guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. My name's Lima. I create content on teaching and vlogging. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Right, in today's video, we're back in Turkey. We're on a two-part trip. First stop is Istanbul. So before we went anywhere, we decided we wanted to visit Sheikh Mahmoud Qudai. They're a very notable individual, and anyone who visits there is noted to have said that they will never drown in their life. Following this, we went on to do a boat trip on Bosphorus. This is a very classic thing that anyone who comes to Turkey does. It's along the Bosphorus Strait. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes both ways, and it cost about 7 Turkish liras to get onto the boat. Or is it about £7? We then headed to Taksim Square for some food and a little bit of shopping. I had this chicken burger and it wasn't great at all. I wouldn't recommend this place. We went to Sephora and a few other stores for makeup, and then we headed off back home as it got really late at this time. The next day we headed off to the Grand Bazaar, and my brother wanted to do a spot of shopping along with my sisters, so we did that as we had an evening flight. So we quickly just did the shopping that we needed to do, and then we headed off to the airport. Marmaris. Now, this place is not what I expected it to be. I expected it to be full of party goers, full of noise, hustle and bustle, but it was so quiet. It was so beautiful and it really touched my heart. And we really enjoyed our time. We went in late October and the temperature was just perfect. It was nice and warm. My mum hired out this beautiful villa that we spent a couple of days in. My auntie and my cousin headed over from England and we all got to spend time together. It was just truly enjoyable. We had our own pool, so we were out in the pool, we were cooking our own food. My sisters and my brothers did their own excursions. The only excursion I did, apart from shopping, is this lovely boat trip. We went to several different islands on this boat trip, and it was just a really relaxing time. It gave me the opportunity to sit there, talk to my cousins, my auntie, everybody, my family, and just enjoy the sun, the heat, the moment. They provided us food and drinks, unlimited drinks and water, and we just really got to grips with what was going on and the beauty and the nature, and we really enjoyed it. So when we went back to Turkey, we had to do this again. So see which one we went on in the next video, because obviously there's a part 2, and this was our favourite thing to do when we were in Turkey. So I highly recommend, if you're in Marmaris, book your own boat. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's worth it. We spent about, I think, £30 each to hire this boat out, and it was just the best decision that we ever made. So yeah, I definitely recommend you do this. Right guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Right, until next time, take care of yourselves and your loved ones. Bye!